SeaDek has gone from water to land by taking the traction and shock absorbent marine flooring and adapting them to RVs. My name is John, and I'm going to show you how to install your new SeaDek RV Step covers in this easy step-by-step tutorial. Before we begin this installation, you want to ensure that you have the right tools on hand. It's pretty simple. The only tools that you're going to really need are isopropyl alcohol, a slice tool, which can be purchased at SeaDek.com, a piece of wood or straight edge. For this example, I'll be using a speed square, a couple high quality cotton cloths, Dawn dish soap, water, and a scrub brush. When prepping your steps, it's important to begin with a clean, dry surface. You want to remove all dirt and grime and any sticky adhesive that may have lived on the surface beforehand. For best results, we recommend cleaning your steps with something simple like Dawn dish soap and a scrub brush. Next, you're going to prep your surface with the isopropyl alcohol. Be sure to use a high quality cloth rag, not a paper towel or dyed rag. A paper towel may deteriorate onto your surface, which can cause a problem when installing your SeaDek step covers, and a color rag can cause discoloration. The main goal is to ensure your brand new step covers stick to their new home, so a clean surface is essential. Once your surface is clean, we're ready to break out our new SeaDek RV Step covers. As of now, these covers are 24 inches long, so depending on the size of your steps, you may have to cut the pad down to custom fit your steps. You want to use a straight edge and a sharp razor. To ensure you have the measurement correct, I suggest using a box that they came with as the template. If your stairs are 24 inches long, you can just skip this step. Carefully score the pad from the back side first. It helps if you have a straight edge that's a little longer than the width of the pad. Once your SeaDek step cover is the size it needs to be, it's time to install it on your steps. First, you want to score the paper backing right down the middle using your slice tool. I recommend the long way, like how you would cut a hot dog bun. Be sure to only cut through the paper backing and not into your pad. This is where the slice tool comes in handy. Next, along the center cut you just made, you're going to peel the paper liner about an inch up and down from the middle, folding it to create a crease. You're essentially opening it up and creating a tent effect. Turn the pad back over and reposition it where you want it installed. This will allow you to tack down the pad in the proper position. Keep in mind, once you stick the pad to the surface, it cannot be removed or restuck, so the initial measuring and tacking is critical to long-term adhesion. Now hold the center section you just tacked down and pull the paper backing off the lower half, working towards the outer edge. Allow the pad to naturally lay flat and apply firm pressure to the pad, working from center to edge. This ensures that no air is trapped under the pad. Once half of the pad is secured to the step, you can pull the paper from the other side, following the same instructions. Carefully apply pressure evenly to create a firm bond between the pad and the surface area. Be sure to focus on the outer edges to ensure a good seal. Congratulations, you just installed some really cool SeaDek RV Step covers to your steps. So take a picture and post about it using the hashtag SeaDek. The SeaDek team would love to hear from you. For more information about our RV Step covers, visit www.seadek.com.